Okay, here we have a HOUGEN HMD 925 electromagnetic drill press. What we're going to do is power it up, show you that it does operate. So we just turn the unit on, yellow light comes on. This indicates that the magnet is working. And if you tilt it, or if it's off balance, you'll see that red light go on. Okay, in any case, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the machine on. As it goes to the bottom, alright, the machine shuts off automatically. That was the power feed. It has a power feed engaged there. It does make a slight noise when it's going down, but it appears to operate fine. Also, we just want to show you here, it does have some shipping distress. This string relief for the cord, it broke off. And there's a small nick in the wire. Doesn't affect the operation electrically, but you might want to think about replacing that. It includes the coolant reservoir, your hold down chain, and a wrench, and an instruction parts manual. The plastic tube for the coolant is missing, and there's supposed to be a clip for the chain here that's there. So there you have it. The HOUGEN HMD 925 electromagnetic drill press. And we thank you for looking at our product.